Hello, dear Family First families. Today is April 3rd, 2026. On the Family Life Skills calendar, let's plant, nurture, and grow together. Gardening is more than just digging in the soil. It's about teaching patience, responsibility, and a love for nature. Start simple. Choose an easy-to-grow plant like basil, mint, or sunflowers. Let your child fill the pot with soil, place the seed, and water it gently. Make it fun. Name the plant, track its growth, and decorate it with garden art. Watching their little plant grow brings a sense of pride and joy. Gardening strengthens family bonds, builds patience, and encourages care for the environment. Plus, it's a great way to unwind and connect with nature. Start your family's gardening adventure today, because when we plant together, we grow together. Thank you for joining us. See you tomorrow. Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best.